Hello, dear friends. Life coach, motivational speaker. Now we'll be discussing with you some wonderful topic today on motivation. And the topic is how to live this life gracefully. I think everybody is thinking to live this life gracefully. And that is our basic requirement. My dear friends, we have come into this competitive life. Would you love to live it gracefully, or will be facing a lot of problems? I feel you need to live it wonderful. Everybody should feel that you are a great person. For that, what you will have to do? You will have to follow some morning rituals. Early to bed, early to rise. Then a lot of other points which I am going to discuss with you now. My dear friends, if you are having rich mindset, good mindset, then everything comes very simple for you. We have to keep our life very simple, and that you can keep. The people who do not want to keep their life simple, they are always in problem. So, first point, have positive mindset. Then, creativity and productivity with quality. Creativity, quality, and productivity will come automatically, I tell you, because of this rich mindset. So, never hesitate to be positive in your life. I have been advocate of positivity, positive attitude, gratitudinal attitude for so many years, and I am enjoying the fun of this, that I am making video for you all. I am not telling anything new. It is all with you, but you will love what I am going to say. My dear friends, respect everyone. Love your parents. Don't send them in old age home. Just think, when you were born, she kept you 9 months in their pregnancy period. What would have been if she would have sent you just after birth to that where you are sending them, old age home? You could have been sent on orphan house. How she loved, how many nights your parents have spent to make you what you are today. So respect them. And my dear friends, respect everyone in your office business. Don't play with their feelings, because when you play with their feelings, they feel hurt. And words are there which are just like, arrow. So don't use bad words with anyone. And you should be a motivational force for everyone near around you. Then, my dear friends, do meditation. This life we have got just to enjoy. Enjoy with your family members. Enjoy with your colleagues, everyone. Why not you are taking meditation sessions? It is going to give you self-belief, self-confidence, which you can't get from anywhere. I have not heard any doctor giving self-confidence medicine, but God can give you when you will be connecting your vibes with Him. He is creator, and He has created you actor, director, producer, script writer, and destiny maker. Then why to worry? Worry cannot solve anything. So self-confidence, self-belief, you will increase by meditational sessions from day one, today itself. I have told in my previous videos also, I can tell, but massive action you will have to take. If you are not going to take massive action, then my dear friends, you will be in big trouble. Then dress well, look smart, have gratitude to Almighty for everything what you have. You may have this book. Okay? This is Robin Sharma's Who Will Cry When You Die. Wonderful book. I am just in between. Anything you have, roof you have, wonderful wife, children, parents, family, society, workplace, everything you have, just gratitude to Almighty. Forget everything. He will take care. Can you do it? Why you say, I have done this, I have done this, I am not doing anything. He is the creator. I am the driver of my life and I am doing. That's all. So my dear friends, just think in that way. You should be tactful. You should be speaking very good English, Hindi or any language so that you can impress your people to work hard. If you are energetic, just see, if you are energetic, they all will be energetic. There is no problem. As Les Brown says always, become hungry. If you are hungry for success, you will be unstoppable. Eric Thomas says, you need hunger just like you need breathing when you swim into a swimming pool. You have to come out to breathe, otherwise you will be no more. Similarly, in our life, we need to do a lot of things, my dear friend. This life is not coming every time. Just smile. Just ha 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 ha. Can you do it? Laughing. Give positive to your near and dear ones. Everyone. Serve this humanity, mankind, with the blessings of Almighty. You will be a wonderful person, my dear friends. Help everyone, not with money, just with IQ, motivation, education, inspiration. Inspiration, motivation, education you give to anyone. Those who want to improve will get it. Otherwise, they will abuse you. No problem. Because you are having direct connection with that Almighty, my dear friend. So, be bold, be fearless in your life and speak graciously, so that people can enjoy your company. You become a motivational speaker, life coach, whatsoever, if you are adding value to them. My dear friends, law of attraction, secret, goals in your life, goals on your vision board, these are all your main tools for success, living life graciously, gracefully. When you are motivating everyone, this means you are already motivated. This means you are not addicted to any wrong things. You are bringing out the persons with the depressed feelings, depressional thoughts, and suicidal thoughts. When these things will go away, they will just enjoy their life. Life is coming once, my dear. Just enjoy each and every moment of it. Can you do it? I am making YouTubes for you to educate the needy people. They see, well and good. They don't see, again, well and good. They will have to take action for your life, for success in your life. You will have to take massive action, like Tony Robbins says. I can't do anything. I can just guide you. Mind it. I have heard one wonderful quote which has changed my entire life. Nobody can make you happy. Nobody can make you sad. It is only our mental attitude which makes us happy or sad. So, my dear friends, just come out of your comfort zone. Enjoy everything. You will have to be self-disciplined without any doubt. And when you will be self-disciplined, you will be feeling the pains, then success will definitely give you wonderful moments which you will cherish in your life. These days I am on Clubhouse, running 2 club rooms and attending several. I am just enjoying the things they are giving. Things become thoughts and thoughts become everybody, my dear friends. Just see what you can do to make the best use of this life, and you will be a wonderful person. Make your goals, not 20, 50 goals, make 5, 6 goals, major goals. Then all micro things will be covered. Respect to your parents, become financially free, become spiritually, mentally free. Means upgradation of your skills. And then become what you want. Like I'm life coach, motivational speaker. My purpose is to improve the lives of 100,000 people in your future. How it will be? When you are not interested, you will have to take interest, otherwise you will repent sometime. I'm not giving you tough moments. I'm just advising like an elder brother. So my dear friends, just make wonderful behavior with everyone you come. They should remember you when you go from this universe. They should cry. Otherwise people happy, oh, he was a very bad man, he left, it is very good. So dear friends, you become what you think, because you are the master batsman of your life. Do not do bossing. Be the leader of your masses. I have served 40 years in textile industry and I have enjoyed every moment of it, because I was sitting in the heart of my people. Small things lead to great occasions, great moments. I enjoyed with them in their marriages, in their children's marriages. With motivation you can do anything, but with bossing you will not get it. So what I want to say, that just live graciously and you will enjoy, my dear friends. And that is what wonderful thing. If you have liked this video, just share it with your friends, family members, and everybody. All the best. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.